Hello and welcome back to the second channel. Today I'm gonna do a drawing tutorial because those are popular. So today we're gonna draw Bob Ross. So first you'll need a circle, and then that's gonna be his head, and then of course you need your smiley face because he was always smiling. Then you need to draw giant afro. I know that looks a bit messy, but you know, I don't think he brushed his hair. And then you're just gonna wanna draw. Oh, sorry, my pencil's yuck. Then you're just gonna wanna draw that. See, that line is basically his skin versus beard. I don't know the correct word to do it, because I want to try and do this video in one take, because I'm too lazy to edit. Bob Ross, everybody.